time you came to Deprag.
Yes.
So after some days of communication and operations,
Yes.
what's your hobbies?
It was very fruitful, by the way. I have seen so many good equipment. In dental field especially, some of practitioners, when they hear the manufacturer is Chinese, they might be doubtful about the quality and stuff. But me, on the real time here, I can guarantee 100% your quality is very exceptional. The equipment and the machines and the materials are very, very cost effective. That will bring the digital technology to world of dentistry at a very competitive price. As you know, chairside milling now is very, very popular. But the problem about chairside milling, it's a little bit expensive. But when you try to get such equipment from your company, you will have very good after-sales service, very good quality. Even you have very good material supply. That's why it will cover all the spectrum of dental treatment.
Okay. So means the best feature from Deprag is we offer good products.
Yes.
And important, we give the affordable prices.
Affordable prices, yes.
Okay. And next one, when you choose a supplier or partner, what's the factors you consider?
It's not only one factor. Quality of the product, durability, technical support, and also pricing. Because all these four factors contribute in my final decision about purchasing any equipment or material I use in my clinic or in my laboratory.
Okay. Totally agree with you. Thank you. Prices is not only one issue.
Yes.
We have to make sure customers know well how to use it and can use it well.
Yes.
And can use for long time, durable.
That's it.
Which aspects of Deprag products you think most helpful for you?
Product quality and price are very, very, very exceptional.
Okay. And Deprag will launch some new outpatient equipment and materials.
Yes. Especially dental microscopes. I'm really excited when I knew you are launching the.
So you already give me the answer. You're more interested on the microscope.
100%. Because in Egypt, for example, I use dental microscope, but it was very expensive when I purchased it from another American brand. Okay. So I'm expecting to use microscopes.
Okay. And right now you already ordered or I see complete CAD/CAM system and the materials.
Yes.
No matter which aspect you consider from Deprag, I would like to listen to. Do you have any suggestion or comments to the Deprag company?
For sure, please. You need to try to increase your sales in African market because African market is very promising. We have so many stable countries, by the way, in Africa. Zambia, Angola, Nigeria. Nigeria is a very big market. I think this is the biggest African market. We have Tanzania, Kenya. All of these countries are seeking good quality and affordable prices, by the way. Because in Africa, I think you only operate in two countries, Africa, Egypt and Tunisia. You need to try to penetrate this African market. African market is very good and very promising and will give you so much big chances to develop your business.
Right now, in Africa, we only have Morocco, Tunis.
Yes, Tunisia.
Yes, Tunisia. Egypt. Yes, only these countries. Yes, we have to penetrate more to cover the whole.
Now will be your agent in Rwanda and in DRC. So it's a very good start.
Yes, now we are with you now, so we can penetrate to the heart of Africa
Yes,
from now.
for sure. Yes, for sure.
Yes, okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.